Unfortunate, frankly speaking, because I was busy monitoring some of the elections that were taking place in some of the states. Somebody sent me the video when the Waziri Adamawa, the former vice president and former presidential candidate of our party, listed one of our leaders in the country, former president, Chief Olusegun Obasanjo. And when he came out, he was meant to have said he has always won the ticket or got the ticket of the party. I didn't believe he said so until when I watched it and then played it all over and I said, what I expected was that I want to have said that I'm hopeful. And if you say I'm hopeful that I will win, and I believe as a politician, you must give confidence to your supporters so that they can continue to move on. But when you say you always take the ticket of the party, what it tells me is that maybe, yes, as you know, there are those who say they are founding fathers of the party, which means like it to a company, and they are shareholders of the company. And like the vice president, he appears to be the chairman of the shareholders of the company. In this case, the chairman of the founding fathers of the PDP. We are employees. They employed us, and we are working for them. We have no problem about that. If as founding fathers, and they would always take the majority, they would take the profits and whatever. So be it. But I didn't expect him, frankly speaking, to make that kind of statement that he will always take the ticket of the party. That is too far. I went too far and taking the delegates for granted. And I think that when he left, he must, for me, I believe, knowing him well, very intelligent man, very good strategist, and a reasonable person. Like any other person can make a mistake when you're addressing the public. So I believe he may have realized that such a statement may not have all gone too well amongst PDP people. So that's why people are sending the video. Oh, I will always get the ticket. It looks somehow. And for me, the problem I have, people say, why do you want to speak out? And I said, look, I don't know. It's a problem for me. I cannot sit down and see where something is going wrong and nobody wants to say something. I don't feel comfortable about it. I don't feel comfortable. I'm moreover in a family, and that can destroy a family. And I said, no, you can't take the delegate for granted. You will always. No, that would be unfair. That would be unfair. And I think, well, that is his own view. And let's watch and see what happens as we go to the convention. And let's watch and see. So many people are here will come back. We will all look at it. But all I've said is for the interest of the party, anything that will make PDP to win the election, that's what I will support. But I will not be, trying to be boxed up for one reason. And nobody can use propaganda or intimidation to think that you can change my views. No, it's not going to happen. But people should watch. It will be shock as far as PDP convention is concerned. The people should watch. People should watch what is going to happen. People like to underrate so many people. And it's not good in politics. Watch what is going to happen. What people are thinking may not be at the end of the day. May not be. But whoever that emerges of all the aspirants, we will rather than the person and make sure that PDP wins 2023.